Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the Sweet Kawaii Design sticker books. Not even sure if I said that right. These are the ones from Michaels. So I was at Michaels one day and I was sort of perusing some of their planner supplies, and I saw these sticker books from popular, I think they originally started as Etsy stores, and they still sell their products through online websites or on Etsy specifically. And they had a line specifically developed for Michaels. This was a good opportunity for me to test out using a weekly sticker kit in my Erin Condren. It's something I have seen a lot of people do, and it was sort of tough to venture out and choose a specific site to get them from, and there's so many different choices, whether you want matte or glossy, and you can customize your kits, and it was all very sort of overwhelming for me. So I thought, well, this is sort of an interesting way to start with a weekly sticker pack because it's all chosen for me. I don't have to pay shipping. And they had a special on where if you buy 3, you get 1 free. So they were each $8. So I decided I would get 4. And they had a whole bunch of different companies that had designed specific kits for Michaels. But I was really drawn to this specific company. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to start with one company and I will get 2 weekly kits. So the weekly sticker kit that I am working with here is like a cute sort of theme of barnyard animals. And the thing that I found sort of confusing about it is I stood there for a long time trying to figure out if there was like a name to this set, and I couldn't find on the cover any specific names. You could see clearly the different stickers that were going to be inside the book, but I thought I would try 2 different weekly sticker sets. So the next one I have is like a coffee themed set. And it's funny because I don't drink coffee, but I love coffee themed things. I love the smell of coffee. I love the look of coffee. And I thought I would go ahead and get that. And then I also got these cute little sticker books that have some little accent sort of stickers because these guys were cute. So here's what I came up with as a finished product, and I just wanted to share with you because I'm a total newbie and this is what I created, and it was quite fun and I totally see the appeal. It was a great way to put everything together. This took me about 20 minutes in total. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.